What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott shooting this video to give you the sneak peek of the new and improved PET system. This PET system works for Forex, it works for commodities, futures, stocks, indices inside of the market. Right now, we're looking at one of the most prominent and one of the most liquid moving indices in the market, US 30. US 30 moves very, very fast. We've seen a lot of people make a lot of money with the US 30. So if you're out there trying to find a way to trade US 30, you've been seeing people getting massive and massive results with the US 30, but you are scared of US 30, I'm here to tell you that the perfect entry trading system, our PET system, will give you entries and exit points in the US 30 indice, not just Forex, not just stocks, but the indices market as well. Right here, you're looking at the PET system. There are multiple customized indicators inside of the PET system. We have multiple templates that's going to pull up different versions of the PET system, and you can customize it to your own liking. If you want access to our Winner Circle group and the PET system, we're beta testing it right now all the way up until the end of the month. There's only about 10 spots available. You pay one time, you'll have lifetime access to the PET system. If you're already inside of the Winner Circle group, you also have access to the PET system. But if you're not inside of the Winner Circle group, you can get access to the PET system right now for a one-time fee. And we're only doing this for the next 5 days. So if you are interested in trading US 30, if you're interested in getting the PET system, now is the opportunity to do so. Right now, we're looking at US 30, but I'm going to share with you some confirmations that we got. We have, as you can see, harmonic scanners popping up for bullish and bearish harmonic scanners popping up on the trading system. We have blue, I don't know if you see it in the red dotted line where it gives us the trend reversals. The trend reversals also comes with arrows. We also have high voltage signals, as you can see down here, where it gives you the multiple. This is 3 signals in one. You have the yellow circle, which has the 3 in it. You have this green arrow on top of it, and you have a red star. That is 3 confirmations in one. That's just on the chart. Then down here, we have our cross from the red to the green, which is showing you a trend reversal here. And we have a shark fin down here at the TDI. Multiple confirmations giving you entries on the US 30. And once you got that entry, look exactly what happened. It's still pushing up to, as we speak right now. If you had to jump in after this candle, after the confirmations, it went up over 2,800 pips on US 30. This is unbelievable how powerful this system really is. Not only are you utilizing it just for Forex, you can utilize it for stocks. You can utilize it for Bitcoin. Let's pull up Bitcoin so we can see what Bitcoin looks like in the PET system. I'm telling you, this system works. You have the harmonic scanner pulled up, a flag or a pattern, and it's shot down. You also have your yellow confirmation arrow here. It's shot down. Came back to the other side of the street. It came back up. You got your high voltage signal here. You have the cross of the MACD here, and you have a high voltage signal at the top of the trend tool. It came down. You're riding it basically from sidewalk to sidewalk, up and down, up and down. This is a cryptocurrency. This is Bitcoin. Let's pull up a pair. Let's pull up any pair. Any pair. It works for any pair. What pair is this? GBP. This is a GBP pair that I'm pulling up right now. We're going to see how fluid this system is when you're working with GBP pairs. Let's see if we can pull it up. There we go. It's a GBP pair. Let's pull this down so we can see the chart a little bit more. As you can see, you also have the currency strength meter over here telling you that GBP is stronger than NZD at this moment. It's consolidating, but I'm expecting GBP to gain more strength and to push up back up to this level that it was previous before, because we have our 3 at the bottom. We need to have a 3 to come at the top. So as of right now, you can go for a buy, a small buy or a small scalp to the upside until you get your 3 on the other side of the sidewalk. As you can see here, the 3 is at the top. You got your signal arrow pointing for a sell. It came down until the 3 came down to the bottom. Once the 3 is at the bottom, it came back up to the top. You got a high voltage signal here, meaning that the price was coming down, and that's exactly what happened until you got the 3 at the bottom of the trend tool. These are multiple confirmations. It's like 8 confirmations in one. It also gives you the support and resistance zones, these gray boxes here. system is amazing. I'm telling you, you can customize it. There are other things that you can put inside of it that are not on my screen. Like I said, we're going to have multiple templates. We're going to have multiple versions. You can pick the template that works best for you, the one that you like best, and trade it to your best ability. Right now, access beta testing group. 5 to 10 more people will only be accepted in the beta testing group. After that, we're launching our Winning Circle platform, and you may have to pay for a monthly fee. We're getting it coded. Everything is going to be fully customized to where you can utilize it as long as you're an active member. If you're not an active member, the system will shut off. But the system works. We have people inside of the group that are making hundreds of dollars a week utilizing the system. So it is very, very, very valuable. We're only asking for 5 to 10 more people to get added to the beta testing group. So if you're one of those 5 people that want to learn Forex, or if you've been struggling with Forex trying to find better entries, or if you want to find a way to trade US 30 the safe way, get in contact with me so you can become one of those 10 people. We can add you to the beta testing group. You'll get added to our support chat. You'll get added to our signals group, and you'll get added to our lifelong system where you're going to get live trainings. You're going to get recorded trainings. You're going to get all of our strategies. We want to help you win. But it is up to you to get started. It's up to you to join the winning circle. Hopefully, see you in the next video.